What's up again? And clean this camera. Back again with a new vlog. Just got off. It is hot, and this is not a sweater, it's a shirt. We got this mamalona in. Cover the window so we don't mess up the window. We're gonna do rear tubs. So right now I'm gonna get a bunch of tape measure to see how I'm gonna do it. And let's get straight to it. Sheesh. That's my pre-cut. There, right now we're gonna cut the inside and scoot it in forward and just trim this a little bit at a time until it fits in there snug, and then we'll tack it in and then put seam sealer, and this side will be concealer wrap. So let me take off this tire, get the jack, and cut this inner side off so we can slide the tub inside, which I have right here. Can you see all the sweat? It's fucking hot, and I'm out here like a fucking idiot. I need to get this done, dude. But yeah, let me take off the tire and we'll get straight to cutting. Mocked it up. Now we're gonna do the bottom side right here. Tack everything in, grind everything in, and seam seal it. Like that. She's ready to go. All I need to do is seam seal and start this side. But I think I'm just gonna do one for now. Just gonna finish this one once they bring me the key to take off the wheels. Ya que me traigan la llave para quitar la llanta, para poder soldar sobre adentro. Pero ahí quedó al 100. There you go, my boys. One tub down, the other one to go. Sheesh. So let me get the seam seal and finish that side. There you go, my boys. One down, all seam sealed and painted. We just need to tack the inside of the end tubs so there's no loosey goosey right here. See, gonna have to tack this back in there, that also back in there, and then it should be solid. But I just noticed that he has a dent here, so I need to be careful because I can't pull it in too much, because then it's not gonna be even. So I need to pull it and then tack it. Oh, I didn't even notice this. It's pushed in right there. So, but that being said, we'll pick it up another day. That's the next one I need to do. I said he did want it for bullets, so got him the maximum you could get. Better to have more than not enough. But there you guys, there you go. I forgot to show you guys la mamalona. Sheesh. There you go, my boys. Vortex Max. There's the mama whiskey. So, clean little truck. Can't wait to finish the other one and then call it a wrap. What I did notice is whoever dropped the truck, they need to change that drive shaft to a 2-piece, because they made that little notch in the inside and it's rubbing that big ass notch. Let me see if I can get a closer look. Back again. This is the second day. It's my compressor turned on. We're gonna finish doing the other side of the tub, which I have right now on this mamalona right here. Right now I'm gonna get the thing so I can cover the window, so like that none of the sparks, nothing damage the glass. And yeah, let me start trimming this out, and then I'll show you guys how I get that perfect fitment. So like that, you don't have to put excess silicone or anything. It's just a perfect cut. You slide in there, you tack it, tack weld all completely all the way around, and then that's it. So let me show you guys right now. Let me get everything that I need, and then we'll get straight to it. The excess, I mock it up. Which I already know from the top of this to the top of this is 2 inches. And same right here. From the top of that to the top of this is 2 inches. So what I'm gonna do is put it against it. Make sure it's flushed completely. Grab whatever you have, whether it be, I gotta get obviously something better because I don't have no more point on this. So let me get a different pen or so you can score it. And then you're gonna cut just below that line for it to be snug. So let me go get that.
Know how good you can see that scar line? There it is, all the way through to the top. That's what we're gonna cut out, but I'm gonna cut before that, and then I'll trim as much as I need to get it up there. So let me get the grinder, start cutting, trimming until I get it to fit, just like this one. So let me do that. So there's my perfect circle. Let me put it in, clean it up, and then we'll tack it in. Perfect fitment. Right now we're gonna tack weld it all around. Cut whatever we need to cut at the bottom. Put this plate right there, and then that's it. So let me get straight to it. I came. It's fucking hot. I forgot to record, but the second one is in, and it's done all the way around, seam sealed, painted. I washed this because I had a bunch of like metal dust. But yeah, there you go, my boys. All done, all ready to go. I'm on my whiskey. So I'm gonna call the client right now. I'm pretty sure he's gonna be very happy because this truck is also gonna go to Vargas Audio for a blow through. So they're gonna put big ass speakers here like the Sacramento edition. And then that one's back. They brought it with some new rims. Gonna change the spark plugs, the O2 sensors because it has a misfire. And then yeah, waiting on the parts to get here. But yeah, let me park this over there and then I'll pick it up right now. I was diagnosing this one because it said misfire. Well, yeah, that would cause a misfire right here. That would cause a misfire. This, I don't know if you can see, that could cause a misfire. And this one is warped, but the inside is burnt. So we're gonna change the, I already called them, we're gonna change the spark plugs, wires, and the O2 sensors. And I'm pretty sure that's what's wrong with it because you'll definitely get a misfire code with this, especially since you have aftermarket headers. They are bulkier more. You have a chance of it burning out completely more. But yeah, let me put everything away and then we'll go from there. Chiguero. All done. Mama Luna ready to be picked up. The next day he brought the socks and then the new MSD wires. He also brought the O2 sensors, but these are females and he needs males. And I just tried taking off that one and there's no way in hell we're gonna take it off. And I have the actual tool. Those are really seasoned there and I heated it and nothing. So I'm gonna see if this changes. I'm pretty sure this is gonna change because of that. But if anything, I'm gonna try to put some WD-40 or something, try to get that lubricated so we can remove that O2 sensors. And we need to get the right one. So let me go ahead and put these socks on and then we'll see if we have any improvement. All the wires and socks are on. Let's turn it on. Let's see if it made a difference. He was just getting a random misfire code. I mean, that could also be a vacuum leak. It could be something so stupid. But let's check it out. One key. Take it in a test drive right now when it warms up, and we'll see. It's operating temperature to see if that fixed it. This truck is tuned. That's why it only has two O2 sensors in the front, nothing in the back. It's straight pipes. But I'm just gonna drive it around for 15-20 minutes to make sure everything is fine.
and then we'll assess it right now when we get there. So vamos a ver qué pasa. Fighting with it for about 30 minutes. I was able to take this one out, but as you can see, it was stripped inside, but the new one cut the threads, and this is old. So a little bit old of heat, and WD-40 does a trick. Here's the first one, the second one right here, and these are both part numbers. That one and that one. I guess that harness was from 4.8. This is a V8. It's a 5.3. But the other ones that they brought, there were female connections, and we needed the male connections. Pero ya quedó. I'm gonna bring it down, and then I'll call them right now and tell them that this truck is ready. So let me do just that, and we'll turn it on.